Dito Vina?
Iya boy, sabi mas kaya sa tamlip tataw.
Neset. Ata? Oi.
Mga dalang na mo.
Tanisi.
There's this saying that I've learned ever since I joined the arts, especially performance, the performance scene. They always say 99% happens behind the scenes, our preparations leading up to our main show. And the 1% is what we deliver on stage and what we get from the crowd. A circus show requires another level of trust, another level of dedication, another level of challenge. And some of those challenges are way tough. Now that we look back, like we still can't believe that we've overcome some of those challenges. You're not weak if the challenge is hard. It just shows like you need to be tougher and you need to overcome that challenge.
Olha da.